Hi, my name is Caden Dunay. I'm an Ag Territory Manager with Ziegler Cat. Today I'm going to be talking about the Brandt 1500 Series top drive belt conveyors. These belt conveyors are offered in two lengths, 35 foot and 45 foot, and have a capacity of up to 6,000 bushel per hour with a 10 horsepower electric single phase motor. This belt conveyor is also offered with hydraulic drive. Starting with some of the features of this belt conveyor, we have the Easy Track belt tensioning system. This belt tensioning system easily allows the operator to view proper belt tension. As long as its indicator is in the green square, it has proper belt tension. If it's in the red squares, it needs adjustment. This system does allow extended belt life, so you're not either under tensioning the belt and getting belt slip with the drive rollers, and also doesn't over tension it and wreck the lacing. Another feature right at the front here is the collapsible hopper. This allows the hopper to go down to 8 inches overall height, and at the extended position is 16 inches tall. Another feature on the Brandt 1500 Series top drive belt conveyor is the fully enclosed welded wind guard that protects the belt from rodent damage as well as weathering in the sun. Moving back here, we have the weight distribution system that prevents the auger from tipping when moving heavy commodities. All Brandt products feature a powder coat finish. This ensures maximum resale value after long-term ownership. Just also want to mention some of the options on this belt conveyor. You can get a transport light kit as well as a bucket spout. If you have any other questions about this Brandt 1535 top drive belt conveyor, please contact your nearest Ag Territory Manager or visit us at zieglerag.com. Thank you for watching.